Hey there, science explorers. Have you ever wondered what stuff is made of? You know, the stuff we see, touch, and even breathe? It's all matter. Everything around us, from your toys to your pet hamster, is made of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has weight. That means your books, your bed, and even the air you breathe are all examples of matter. Pretty cool, right? Understanding matter helps us understand how the world works. It's like having a secret code to unlock the mysteries of the universe. So, get ready to dive into the exciting world of matter with me. We're about to embark on a journey to explore the amazing states of matter. Let's go. First up, let's talk about solids. Solids are everywhere you look. Your bed, your desk, and even your favorite toy are all solids. What makes something a solid?
Solids hold their own shape. They don't flow like water or spread out like air. Think about a rock. It stays the same shape whether you put it in a jar or on the ground. Solids also take up a specific amount of space. They can be big like a mountain or small like a grain of sand.
Can you think of more examples of solids around you? How about that delicious cookie you ate earlier? Yep, that was a solid too. Now let's dive into the world of liquids. Liquids are super cool because they can change their shape. Think about water. If you pour water into a tall glass, it takes the shape of the glass. But if you pour that same water into a shallow dish, it changes shape again.
Liquids are also found in many different forms. Juice, milk, and even honey are all examples of liquids. Liquids are important for all living things. We need water to drink, and plants need water to grow.
Can you imagine a world without liquids? It would be a very different place.
Section 4. Up, up, and away, investigating gases. Hold your breath for a second. And breathe out. You just experienced a gas. Air is all around us, even though we can't see it. That's because air is a gas.
Gases are like invisible superheroes. They don't have a definite shape or volume. They spread out to fill whatever space they are in. Think about blowing up a balloon. The air you blow into the balloon expands to fill it up.
Gases can be tricky to catch, but they're essential for life. We need oxygen to breathe, and plants use carbon dioxide to make food.
Next time you're outside on a windy day, feel the air move around you. That's the power of gases.
Section 5. Matter's many faces, shape, volume, and more. We've learned that matter comes in different forms, but did you know that matter also has different properties? Properties are like special characteristics that help us describe and identify different types of matter.
One property is shape. We know that solids have a fixed shape, while liquids and gases take the shape of their container. Another property is volume. Volume is the amount of space that something takes up. A big balloon holds more air than a small balloon, so it has a larger volume.
Matter also has mass. Mass is how much matter is in an object. A bowling ball has more mass than a tennis ball, even though they're both round. And don't forget about temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. We measure temperature with a thermometer. A scoop of ice cream has a lower temperature than a cup of hot chocolate.
Section 6. Matter matters. From science to everyday life. Learning about matter is not just about memorizing facts. It's about understanding the world around us. When you understand matter, you understand how things work.
Scientists study matter to develop new technologies, like medicines and building materials. They also study matter to learn about the environment and how to protect our planet.
But you don't have to be a scientist to appreciate matter. Every time you bake a cake, inflate a tire, or simply take a breath, you're interacting with the states of matter. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep your love of science alive.
The world of matter is full of wonder, and there's always something new to discover.